Hello everybody, TGIF Trade Geeks, it's Friday. Today's November 21st, 2025. And today's hot topic is the AI Robot Whirlwind Tour. Today we're going to cover some of the Mexican reforms that were published here a couple days ago. And then also what's on the radar for the EFTA Tariff update. That's what we'll be covering today. Mexico has implemented some major reforms to how they manage the licensing of Mexican customs brokers. They basically have restructured the licensing and control, the certification and recertification requirements, and also the liability for penalties and responsibilities for taxes and implications for not just the duties, but also, fiscal taxes that they're jointly liable for now. In the past, the law was written where the Mexican broker and the importer in Mexico had joint responsibility regarding the importation of goods. Now it's been expanded even more. So, the Mexican broker, he's going to have a lot more responsibility now. Effective January 1st of 2026. So the Mexican broker will have to recertify themselves every 3 years. And then also now the authority that actually issues the license and revokes license is now going to be a panel of people. It's not going to be just one single person. So that's some major reform here that we're looking at. So the major takeaway is now customs professionals in Mexico need to really review their compliance procedures, process, and strategies to comply with the new law, effective January 1st, 2026. Now, regarding the EPA lawsuits that we have here in front of the Supreme Court, we've been hearing a lot of feedback from different legal law firms throughout the United States. Everybody has their opinion of what they think the outcome will be. What we're hearing now is it's probably going to be 5 justices, maybe even 7 justices that are going to rule against the EPTA tariff. So, we're looking what's going to happen here. We got to be ready. So if the EPTA tariff is struck down, you got to have your protest ready to go, or you're going to have to file a lawsuit with the U.S. government here. Because the refunds are not going to be automatic, right? So you're going to have to be prepared in case the tariffs or the EPTA tariffs are repealed. You got to be prepared. So how you're going to do your strategy, considering the liquidation dates, whether you're going to protest or whether you're going to join in some form of litigation in order to get your refunds. If the court, whether they repeal or they uphold the tariffs that we have right now for EPA, it's still going to be a roller coaster ride, We will see other tariffs or other actions that they're going to use to try to keep the tariffs propped up. So I don't think the tariffs are going away. So anyway, stay proactive, stay informed, and follow us at www.trade-flex.com. Thank you very much. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Have a happy Turkey Day. Bye-bye.